guys, it's Brenda. Welcome back to another video in SugarPinkDIY. And in today's video, I'll be sharing with you the second part of decorated school supplies. And I had this video already recorded, but I couldn't upload it yet because I was in school. I was doing community service or service learning, and I was doing some tutoring while I was in school. So I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss any of my following videos. And also, if you haven't seen part 1, I'll leave the link in the description box as well as on the right hand corner if you want to go see that video. Thank you. And now let's go on to that video. Alrighty guys, so to start off you need one decorative paper and one plain full color paper. Place the full color paper on top of the decorative one and then with a pencil just trace it. And once you have your rectangle trace, divide it in half to form 2 triangles. Then cut one of the triangles and add a little bit of glue or double-faced tape to the back. This way you'll be able to glue it on or tape it on to the full color paper. And for the final touch, you can add a little bit of washi tape right on the center. And finally, if you want, you can also write a cute phrase or a cute word on the washi tape. In my case, I wrote the word sparkle and then I just decorated with 2 small hearts. Once you have it all done, just place it on or inside the front cover of your binder and then you have a cute binder for your classes. For the second DIY, you need water-based markers and a pouch or pencil case made out of fabric. Then just use your markers to color on the pouch. Then just add a little bit of alcohol on a spray bottle and spray the alcohol on your pouch. This way all the colors will be mixed together. And once your pencil case or pouch is completely dry, use some Mod Podge and a brush and write a cute phrase or a cute word. In my case, I wrote the word hey and then I just decorated with the little sparkles and some polka dots all around. Before your letters dry, add a little bit of glitter. This way your pouch or pencil case will be completely glittery and super cute. Then just remove the excess and let it dry. And once your letters are completely dry, add a top coat of Mod Podge to protect the glitter from falling off. Once the Mod Podge is completely dry, it will become transparent. And then you'll have a super cute pencil case with your special touch. Plus, it's super easy to make. For the third DIY, you will need to cut 2 rectangles out of a foam sheet, as well as you will need some hot glue. Add some hot glue on both of the long sides and only on one of the short sides. And finally, just glue them together, just to make a small pouch. And to decorate, you can add some sparkling gems on the front. Turn it around and with some hot glue, glue on a stretchy band. Add more hot glue and glue on a foam sheet square to protect the stretchy band from falling off. Up to now, you are completely done with the DIY, but if you want to make this a little bit more pretty, just add more sparkling gems to the front. Now you have a pencil holder and a bookmark perfect for your bullet journal, your diaries, books, and notebooks. And we also decorated this super cute notebook on this channel, so I'll leave a link in the description box as well as on the right hand corner of this video so you can go watch this video. For the fourth DIY, you need a sticky note and this paper that already comes with the tape. Then just trace it on the sticky note and cut it. Once it is completely cut, just put it on or inside the plastic tape dispenser. Also, if you do not want to use sticky notes, you can also use decorative paper. In case you do not have the paper that comes with the tape, you can also use the plastic tape dispenser and use it as a guide. Then just trace it, cut it, and put it on your tape dispenser, and there you have some super cute and decorated tapes. And the fifth DIY is super easy. All you need is to glue on a strip of gems or rhinestones to your scissors using permanent glue. Alright guys, and this was it for today's video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss any of my videos. And see you on the following video. Bye guys!